What was the address?
Perämiehenkatu 9.
Styrmansgatan 9. Here, and the stick is
B.
B, yes. Here in Punavuori, close to Eira, here in Helsinki, modernized Finland. It was built in 1963 by ValmetSchlieren, turning 60 years old this year, 2023, and its number is VS 408, and it's going to be inspected next year, 2024. Shall we go to the basement floor first, or?
Yeah.
Or somebody is there?
Yeah, but it doesn't matter. You can press the... No!
But if somebody comes,
Yeah.
what's the problem?
You can press 5 immediately, and then he can't open the door, but...
Yeah, I'm a little bit careful with this.
Too careful.
I know that. No, I hope nobody's coming. Hopefully it's not locked there. If we can go to the other staircase.
Yeah.
Maybe. But no, I mean, we don't need anybody there.
Yeah.
Det smell in here.
Inspekteerbaar meidän pääsplan hissä.
Give us these 3 persons at 5 grams. To 1 or?
Yes.
Yeah, you can press if you like.
I already pressed 3 times.
Okay. I'm sorry about that, I was so worried about the basement.
Yeah. That's